Well, hello everyone. It's kind of a hot, humid Minnesota, yucky, grimy weather today, but I'm packing because we are leaving for the Dakotas tomorrow, where it's going to be even yuckier and humid and grimy. So, Mr. Maui Bear is helping me. I've got a few things in there yet, but cars got to get loaded, motorcycles got to get loaded. So here we go. Dave's got a method. Got this little rubber hose thing right here so we don't scratch the paint. Got to keep the bikes pretty, you know. And Maui says pretty is good. Oh, thank you, Maui. No. Looking pretty straight. Think we might. Perfect morning to leave. What a moon. It's almost full. Final walkthrough in the morning. Dave's got to check all the straps. Make sure nothing's going to fall off in the middle of our drive. Because we got about 8 hours to go today. Don't they look nice? All right. Let's kick this pig.